Welcome to my channel, The Alpha Female. In this video, I will be sharing with you certain stats, facts and data points. So let us begin with some spicy bedroom stats. Did you know that 90% Indians have sex before the age of 30? Even if I can safely remove the age group of 1 to 15, we have approximately 45% of the population, which is around 55 crore people who are or will be sexually active in the very near future. First of all, why do we have so much population? Sexual intercourse. We are about to be the #1 populous country. We are the land of Kama Sutra, which originated in 400 BCE. 2500 years later, in the 21st century, sex is still a taboo. On top of that, there is no sexual education. This is really bad and really shocking. Online dating apps such as Tinder, Bumble, Hinge are now here. There are approximately 4 crore Indian users on these apps. According to a report of 2019, out of them 2.2 crore are paid users and 1.8 are freeholders. Dating companies have earned a revenue of $62.8 million from the Indian market, which is the 4th largest after US, China and UK. अकाउंट्स बनाने में क्या है, वो तो हम बना ही लेंगे. और स्वाइप राइट लेफ्ट, ये तो बस एक फिंगर की एक्सरसाइज है, वो भी हम कर ही लेंगे. बट हाउ टू गो फ्रॉम देयर टू हैविंग व्हाट यू वांट, हाउ टू मेक योर ओन डेटिंग लाइफ अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस.
हमें ना लिव इन करना चाहिए. क्या का?
ये बात कहाँ से आ गई शादी के बीच में?
ये शादी के बीच में नहीं, शादी से पहले आता है.
80% of Indians between the ages of 18 to 35 support this concept overwhelmingly. This means that if given an opportunity, all of us, most of us, would want to be in a live-in relationship. So from where can we get this opportunity? According to a poll, it is Mumbai. In Mumbai, 50% of unmarried couples are in a live-in relationship. But 70% of them break up within 2 years of their live-in relationship. If live-in relationship is good or bad, no one can know for sure. There is no particular or perfect answer to this question.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं.
Following stats are absolutely killer. 90% of Indian marriages are still arranged by parents.
हाँ, तब तो तुम्हें मालूम होगा कि शादी की कितनी अहमियत है. इसलिए मैं तुम्हें अब यहाँ कुछ लड़कों से मिलवाऊंगा.
And only 5% couples marry for love.
तुमने बताया ही नहीं कि तुम शादीशुदा हो.
क्या?
53% women and 43% men have admitted to their unfaithfulness. Not just that, for all the cheaters and liars, a new app has also entered the Indian market, which encourages couples to have extramarital relations. Maybe marriage is not easy, but cheating and lying is definitely not the way. As a final fact, I would like to tell you that the state of happiness in India is 53%, which is not at all bad. And maximum number of respondents said that the greatest source of their happiness is the kind of relationship they share with their partners. I have realized that everything requires work, even love, intimacy, romance, and yes, definitely your relationships. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more of these conversations. Also press the bell icon for all future updates.
चल मन अति रैंडम देगा धोखा मचल गयो रे.